With CERBERUS, you have full control over your conventional traps. You simply replace the pheromone when it expires, and usually once a week, you perform the capture count and change the sticky paper. The platform automatically alerts you to anything important, such as a sticky paper expiration, so you are always ahead of the curve. From a single dashboard, you can view all your traps with the most relevant information. You choose which pests you want to monitor, and you can check the latest capture counts or pheromone expiration dates at any time. And whenever you need, you can add new data with just one click. Or open a detailed view for deeper insights. When you want to dig further, you have access to complete information about the field, the campaign, the pest, and the full history of captures and pheromone chains. The charts gives you a clear visual understanding of how captures evolve over time. You will see pheromone chains marked in red, and you can filter the graph by any time range you choose. It's all designed so you understand your field at a glance. At any time, you can add a new trap by selecting its location on the map and entering the corresponding information. Or if you prefer, you can export all your data for external analysis. You also have MTD charts, mails per trap and date, where you can see your counts along with the treatments applied. This lets you identify peaks, link them to treatments, and clearly observe the decrease that follows.